We're here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, and we're staying in a 2-bedroom lock-off villa. Are you planning a trip here in the near future? You might want to stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Today we're going to be checking out our 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2. But before I do, I want to tell you about Red Timeshares. If you're planning a trip here, maybe you're looking to rent a villa at this fantastic resort, well, head on over and check them out using a link in the description below, the first pinned comment, or even scan the QR code here on the screen. You can book directly with them on their website with no additional booking fees, like a lot of those other websites might charge. So head on over, check out Red Timeshares. Now let's head in here, check out this 2-bedroom villa. But before I do, I want to thank Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video. So let's head inside and we're going to check it out. Okay, so when we come into this 2-bedroom lock-off villa here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, well, right here on my right-hand side is the lock-off door. So we'll be heading through that here in a little bit, but we're first going to check out the 1-bedroom side of this villa first. So as we come in, the first thing we're going to see here, full kitchen. You have your full-size refrigerator, microwave oven, stove, oven, range. You have a blender, toaster, knife block, kettle there, full-size coffee maker, and well, there is a dishwasher here too. And then let's take a look here in the refrigerator. You do have full-size refrigerator like I mentioned, and they do have an ice maker that is already turned on, something we definitely like when it's already turned on. We don't need to start making ice. Let's take a look here in these cabinets. Let's see what we have here. Well, it is your glassware for, looks like 6 people on this side. There's also a pitcher up there. And then over here, looks like maybe there's a salad bowl, measuring cups, some storage containers. Let's see if there's anything above the microwave. There often usually isn't, and well, there isn't. Then let's look here. It's gonna be your dinnerware for 6 people. There is that salt and pepper shaker there. And then, well, down here we do have kind of a pretty big sink, so that's definitely a good thing. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything up here, up above the refrigerator. Nope. Now let's take a look in the drawers. You do have your cutlery, utensils for 6. There's a pizza roller, can opener, vegetable peeler, and a strainer or a sieve. And then over on this side, well, just a few cooking utensils there. And let's see what's underneath here. Well, it's gonna be where we find our pots and pans, non-stick skillet. There is a spatula down there. In here, looks like, well, they do have a colander, and there's a baking sheet down there too. I doubt there's anything underneath the oven. Well, just a broiler pan. Not sure, does anybody really ever use those anymore, especially when you're in a timeshare unit? Let's see what's over here. No, looks like a couple of baking dishes of some type. And then in here, well, just some additional cooking utensils. And I'm sure down under here, well, we have our trash, and well, we have some kitchen supplies. So yeah, that is the kitchen. So let's go in and take a look at the living room and dining room. Dining room over here, big round table for 6 people. There's 6 chairs there. Kind of some nice lighting in here. It's kind of this round area that's kind of set back off of the living room here. So yeah, this is your living room. You have a couple of chairs. This one's actually a recliner, so that one you can lean back. Then you do have a sleeper sofa here as well. Couple of ottomans and a couple of end tables here too. I didn't point out there's kind of this table over here against the wall as well. Some nice artwork up there. And then in the living room here, you also have great big flat screen television, kind of a chest of drawers there. You can actually use that to store some things. If you're maybe sleeping here in the living room on that pull-out sofa, you do have a lamp there. So yeah, this here is the living area of this 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off. So now let's head in and we'll take a look at the bedroom. Just kind of noticing here, 3 stools up against kind of the bar area of the kitchen counter. And heading into the bedroom area here, well, you do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands. This one has an alarm clock and exposed USB and power outlets. Some neat kind of lighting here as well. And then over here, the foot of the bed, well, you have a chest of drawers and not too bad of the size of a flat screen television. Now over here, they do have kind of this bench, nightstand over here. So just another look there at the bedroom here in this 2-bedroom villa. There's also no ceiling fan here in the bedroom. So unfortunately, no ceiling fans anywhere in these units at Desert Springs Villas 2. And heading in here, well, we actually have kind of two closets opposite of each other. Just some storage in here. You do have extra bedding down there. You can use that out on that sleeper sofa. And it's also where you'll find the in-room safe. And then over here, well, it's another closet. This one just has a vacuum cleaner, more storage, and well, there's a laundry basket. Then moving here into the bathroom, well, you do have this single vanity out here. Great big mirror there on the wall. There is also this makeup and shaving mirror. And across from this, well, they do have kind of your garden style soaker tub. There's no jets in this, just a place to kind of soak and relax, or maybe you want to bathe the kids. Then some artwork here. Now we're going to go in and take a look at, I guess what you'd call the master bathroom. You do have a walk-in shower. It's not too bad of a size. It's not too big, but it's not too small either. So you do have your pump shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there on the wall. And yeah, just your kind of single shower head there. And then, well, out here, just another single vanity. So it's nice to have two vanities kind of split there between what's in the more bedroom area and then what's in the bathroom area here. And then as we kind of continue and make our way back towards where we come from in the main entryway, behind these doors, you're gonna find in-room laundry. So great to have kind of washer and dryer. It looks like it's high efficiency, so it's definitely a good thing. You can kind of pack a little bit lighter for your trip. And then, well, behind this door is the studio. So let's head over there and we'll take a look at that. So when we come into the studio side of the 2-bedroom lock-off, well, we have a bathroom here, and then there's the other door, kind of that second entry to the full 2-bedroom unit, kind of goes out to the breezeway. That was essentially kind of right beside the one that we actually came in originally. Then yeah, here is the bathroom. You do have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there on the wall. And well, it's not too bad of a shower. It's kind of small. It does also have a bathtub. So if you want the bathtub, well, you have that here, or you also have the shower. And then over here, well, we do just have kind of a single vanity. It's pretty big countertop, so a lot of counter space there. You do have your makeup or shaving mirror on the wall, some artwork there, and then well, your toilet is down here, and there's also plenty of towels and washcloths. So now that we've checked out the bathroom here in the studio side of this 2-bedroom lock-off, let's take a look at kind of the living room kind of bedroom area, I guess you could call it. Well, they do have a king-size bed in here, a couple of nightstands, and I do notice some exposed USB and power over there as well. And kind of right beside that, well, you do have a small kitchenette. So a great thing about kind of the lock-offs is you do have an extra mini refrigerator, microwave oven, you have a coffee maker, toaster, coffee supplies, and then up here you do have dinnerware for 2 people, then one of those little itty-bitty salt and pepper shakers. In here, well, it's glassware, kind of enough for 2 people as well, with an ice bucket. So if you're just standing in the studio side, you'll have to find an ice machine somewhere, because I don't believe this has an ice maker in it. Let's actually take a look at that refrigerator and see. No, it's just a freezer, so you could run out and buy maybe some ice cube trays, or they do have ice machines as well available around the property. There's the refrigerator, and then let's take a look and see what's in these drawers here. So in this one, well, it looks like you have a single steak knife. That's probably supposed to be 2, but we only have 1. We have some dish towels and cloths. And then over here is where you're going to find silverware for 2 people. And it looks like they also have a corkscrew and bottle opener. Now, I know there's nothing under here because I checked in there already. And then over here, well, you can find kind of a few kitchen supplies. You have some soap, you have some trash bags, and there is some laundry detergent down there, even though there's no washer and dryer in this unit. Now, what you can do with that is if you're staying in the full 2-bedroom, well, you can use the one from over here, over there. Well, they also do have free laundry facilities kind of in designated areas throughout the resort. So again, there's that nightstand, there's that exposed USB and power. Looks like a couple of USB-A's and a USB-C there too. Then over here at the end of the bed, well, we have a big kind of wardrobe that's built in, where you're gonna find your ironing board, some extra bed linens for what will essentially be a pull-out love seat that we'll look at here in just a moment. And it is where you'll also find the in-room safe, as well as, well, some hangers. And then over there beside of that, well, we're going to find kind of a dresser that's built in, or chest of drawers, a mirror, and then kind of something that's a little interesting. It's kind of like a desk or dining room table. You could use it for both. This actually kind of rolls in and out. You have a couple of chairs there. Then up above that, you have, well, the television. And then over here, you do have kind of that love seat I mentioned. It does pull out into probably just a twin size bed, kind of small, but it does fold out, which is a little bit different than what we've noticed in some of the other units. They kind of have a trundle that kind of slides out instead, so that's a little bit different. And I notice over here on the nightstand, well, they have the phone, but they also have the do not disturb sign over here. I'm not sure why they didn't actually put it on the actual doorknob on the inside, but whatever, I guess that'll work anyway. And then, well, out here we do have a small patio on this studio side, so let's go out here and take a look. Okay, so out here we just have a small table with 2 chairs. Pretty small patio over here actually on the studio side of this 2-bedroom lock off. Yeah, we actually have pretty nice view out here to the golf course. And something I actually just realized is I never showed you the patio on the 1-bedroom side. We'll take a look at that here from the outside instead of coming back out through the villa. But yeah, they do have pretty good sized patio there, 4 chairs, small table, and there is also a lounge chair over here too. So good sized patio here. You can see here 2-story buildings, and do realize there are no elevators here at Marriott Desert Springs Villas. But yeah, both of these have pretty good views of the golf course. You can see they're actually watering them out here. So yeah, really nice golf course views here from these villas at Desert Springs Villas 2. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And also, don't forget, check out Red Timeshares if you're looking to come here to Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2. And also, to see another video from here at the resort, well, check out this one right here. It's going to be a full resort tour. Desert Springs 1, Desert Springs 2, Jasmine Court, the whole thing. So check that out coming up next. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.